Hello, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine, very good class. So class, you all have enjoyed your vacation, not only vacation, sorry, not vacation. You all have enjoyed your holidays? Great. So these two were your holidays, that is Saturday and Sunday, and both were having some or the other festivals on it, isn't it? So on Saturday, we all must have eaten yummy puris and chana and halwa, isn't it? मम्मा ने घर पे कंजक करी होगी and you all must have tasted that yummy food. सबने खाया था ना सैटरडे को? And what was yesterday? कल क्या था? जो कल चला गया, वो क्या था? कौन सा फेस्टिवल था कल? दशहरा. वेरी गुड. सो व्हाट यू ऑल डिड ऑन दशहरा? क्या किया आप सबने? एंजॉयड? हाउ यू एंजॉयड? दिस इज व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू टेल मी कि आपने दशहरे वाले दिन घर पे क्या क्या किया. सो आई टोल्ड यू व्हाई वी सेलिब्रेटेड दशहरा. व्हाई वी सेलिब्रेट दशहरा? रावण को मारा था राम जी ने. यस. So now you are getting little bit conversations, but try to express yourself in English. So whenever you are sharing your videos with me, a lot of people, a lot of students are expressing themselves, but try to use small little words of English also when you are expressing. Clear? चलो थोड़ा सा गलत है, it's okay. Ma'am will correct you. I'll tell you how to pronounce it correctly. But try to share your conversations, the videos of your work in which you are explaining something. For that, try to do that in a little bit English language. Okay? धीरे धीरे थोड़ा थोड़ा करके सीखेंगे तो हमें आ जाएगा. Clear? Great. So after these 2 days festival, after your holidays, we are back to our work once again. दिवाली आ रही है, बहुत सारा काम है. क्लीनिंग का काम स्टार्ट हो गया है घर पे. मम्मा ने स्टार्टिंग कर दी है सब क्लीनिंग एंड ऑल एंड ऑल. So now it's your duty to help your mother. Not only your mother, help your grandparents, your parents, दीदी भैया. If anyone is asking for your help, don't deny. कोई मना नहीं करेगा. सब अच्छे बच्चे बनके मम्मा पापा की हेल्प करेंगे और उनकी बात मानेंगे. Clear? Great. So you all are very smart kids. Let's begin with our today's class. So today is 26th October 2020. So अब सबको डेट लिखना आ गया और समझ में आ गया कि जब हम डेट लिखते हैं तो किस नंबर का क्या मीनिंग होता है. And the day is Monday today. So what is the day today? Monday. Now in maths we have already completed our numbers till 40. आपको काउंटिंग आ गई है. We have completed our counting from 1 to 40. We have done that all. What we are going to do today? Today we are going to write the same counting but from 1 to 40 in a proper sequence. अभी हमने ब्रेक कर करके सीखी 1 to 10, 11 to 20, फिर हमने 1 से 20 लिखा. Then we did 21 to 30. फिर मैम ने आपको सिखाया how to write all the numbers together from 1 to 30. So today we are going to write numbers from 1 to 40. So this is the counting work we are going to do today. And you all know where we do this counting work? 4-line notebooks में. Which notebook we use for writing countings? We use square notebook. Yes, maths में जो notebook होती है, maths notebook में छोटे छोटे squares बने होते हैं ना इसी तरह से. So this is a page of your square notebook. So we are going to use the same notebook, the square notebook for your maths work. So first see how we are going to do that. पहले मैम आपको बोर्ड पे बताएंगी, फिर मैम आपको नोटबुक में भी बताएंगी. Clear? So let's say the counting and write. So class, the very first thing that we do is when we are writing our counting, what is the very first thing that we do? We write some alphabets. हम यहाँ पे कुछ alphabets लिखते हैं ना? भूल गए मैम? What I write here? T and O. Why I write T? What is the meaning of T? T for tens and O for ones. Very good. So we'll start writing that. Tens, ones, फिर से tens. यहीं पे लिखना है? No. Very good. So what we have to do here? We are going to put a cross here. Very good. You know that now. तो अब हम इसको erase कर देंगे. And now what I'm going to write? I'm going to put a cross here. So what is the meaning of cross? that we are not going to write anything here. Okay? Now, let us begin our counting. जैसे हमारी one line finish होगी, then we will start with our next line. Clear? So when we are starting our counting, how we do that? I told you, बस ऐसे? No, we speak and we write. जब हम बोलते हैं तो हमारी आवाज हमें खुद को भी थोड़ी थोड़ी सुनाई देती है ना. मैम की आवाज ज्यादा सुनाई देती है क्योंकि दूसरे की बात सुनाई देती है. अपनी भी बात सुननी चाहिए हमें, isn't it? अपनी भी बात सुननी चाहिए. So now we'll speak the counting and then we'll write it. Okay? Let's begin. Now tell me the first number. 1, 2. देखो मैम थोड़ा जोर से बोल रही है ना. आपको भी जब काउंटिंग लिखते हैं थोड़ा सा जोर से बोलना है ताकि you can listen yourself. Okay? Next we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when we are writing 10, वो 2 digits हो जाती हैं. So अलग अलग boxes में लिखना है. Yes. So that is what we are going to do that. Now this is 10. Done all? Now once we have finished this, now again we are going to write tens and ones. And then I'll put a cross here. Okay? So let's start after 10. So what comes after 10? What I have to write here? 11. Yes. So we'll write 1, 1 on both the boxes. Isn't it? 1, 1 in both the boxes. So what is the meaning of this 1? One group of 10 objects plus 1 objects. इसीलिए हमने 1, 1 लिखा है यहाँ पे. Now what will be the next number? 1 here because we have one group of 10 objects plus we have 2 more objects. Yes, so you have learned that now. So this is 12, 13, then we have 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and what comes after 19? 20. Yes. So जब आप काउंटिंग मैम के साथ साथ बोल रहे हो आपको पता लग जाएगा what number you have to write. Clear? So after 20 we are going to write tens and ones once again and we'll put a cross here. Understood? So we have completed till 20. Now next, what is the number I have to write here? After 20 comes 21. Very good. So we'll write 21, 22. Then we have 23, 24, 25, then 26, 27, 28, 29, and what comes after 29? 30. Yes, so we'll write 30. Understood that? Now, हमें counting लिखनी है counting 40 तक. That means now we have to write more numbers. So after 30, again I'll write tens and ones and put a cross here. Understood that? So what comes after 30? 30 is we have 3 groups of 10 objects. So what is the next I'm going to write here? 31. So let's write that. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, Then we have 37, 38, 39, and last we have is 40. So I'll write 40. तो अब हमें क्या करना था? We have to start our counting our numbers from 1 and we have finished it till 40. Understood? This is what we are going to do in our notebook today. But let us first say this counting once again. So all of you have to say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Next we have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Clear? So you have to write your numbers from 1 to 40 in notebook. So I'll just write that. Do this work in notebook. Do this work in notebook. Clear? So after doing it, you have to do this work twice. How you are going to do? I'll just show you that in your notebook. Okay? So open your maths notebook now. So class, now let's see how we are going to write our counting in notebook today. So you all know how to make your notebook patterns now. You all know that first we are going to write date. So today is 26th October 2020. Your topic counting from 1 to 40, and this is your classwork. So you are going to write CW. Then after that, why I have written it all together? Because I have used a pen today. So you can use your pencil and write as I have taught you. Pehle one time write tens and ones and put a cross mark. Then we'll write the counting. Then we'll next, and like this we'll keep on doing the work. So now let's begin with the counting work. As you all know, so when we are starting our counting from number 1, we are going to begin from T or from O? किसके नीचे से स्टार्ट करना है काउंटिंग? O के नीचे से स्टार्ट करेंगे या T के नीचे से? We are going to begin under O. Yes, from here we are going to start writing. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, then we have 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have done 20. Now the next we are going to write is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we have done till 30. So after 30 we are going to write next is 31. So we'll write from 31, 32, 33. Then the next number we are going to write is 34, 35. Next we have 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. So like this class, you are going to do your today's work. So have you seen when I am writing the numbers properly, slowly and neatly, how beautiful the page is looking? सारे numbers आपको एक के नीचे एक लिखने होते हैं. So many of you are writing it correctly, but you are not taking care of the neatness. When you are doing the work, you have to be careful. You have to take care that all the numbers are written on the bottom line. They are not touching each other. कोई भी number आपस में एक दूसरे को touch कर रहा है? नहीं ना? See, all are sitting in their own boxes. सब अपनी अपनी सीट पे बैठे हैं ना? As you all sit on your chair, so all these numbers are sitting in their own boxes. तभी तो neat and clean लगती है क्लास भी जब आप सब अपनी अपनी सीट पे होते हैं. Isn't it? अब आप सब उठ के भागोगे, एक दूसरे की जगह पे जाओगे तो कितना गंदा लगता है ना क्लासरूम भी. Similarly is your work. So you have to make or you have to write all these numbers in their own boxes. You will not get them touch with each other. वैसे भी social distancing भी follow करनी है, isn't it? Great. So after doing your work, once is classwork. So let us see today's homework. That is same as classwork. So what you are going to do? You are going to write this counting, or you can say you are going to practice writing counting from 1 to 40. Once you have done as classwork, so on the next page you are going to do this once again as your today's homework. Is that clear to everyone? So students, you have understood how you are going to complete your today's work. Counting practice is must when we are talking about math subject, because it is about counting which is going to relate all your other concepts like what comes after, before, between, and next I am going to teach you bigger or greater than, less than, equal to. So this will be a new concept वो आप तभी कर पाओगे when you are thorough with your countings. So written work we have completed till 40. आपको अच्छे से writing आनी चाहिए 40 तक. And after that oral counting we have already completed till 60. Keep practicing your oral countings as well. Understood? Finish your notebook work once as class work and once as homework. And don't forget to share your work with me. Bye for now. Get ready for the next EVS class. Take care.